Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, again, I came up with so many beautiful dupes and I can guarantee you this video is going to be so helpful because the dupes that I'm going to show you guys today, these are incredibly beautiful products and I just love the formula. You guys are gonna love the products that I'm gonna show in this video. So let's get started. Here I have the first product, which is from Makeup Revolution. This is the Revolution Pro Miracle Cream and this is the exact dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, which is a very expensive product. I have tried out this product before. I used a sample size product before. I haven't purchased the full size one and I don't think I will because I have this one right over here. This is like the exact formula. It's a thick, very creamy but lightweight type of product, contains a fragrance just like the Charlotte Tilbury one, and it also hydrates your skin so beautifully. A perfect product before your makeup. This is what the packaging looks like. Gives a very expensive type of a feel and I just love how it overall looks. And here we have the product. This is what the cream looks like. If you don't like your moisturizer to have a fragrance, you are not gonna like this. This contains a fragrance, but it is so moisturizing and it's not like your oily moisturizer. It's very beautiful, hydrates your skin so smoothly and gives you like a beautiful glowy finish before you go in with your makeup. Today my makeup is gonna look super glowy because I have so many glowy type of a product with me. This is what my skin looks like after using the product. You can see how smooth my skin looks. It literally feels like I'm applying butter on my skin, but it's very lightweight, which is the best part. Does not feel like a heavy cream after you blend it, and it does not irritate your skin and also your eyes. It is so beautiful, so lightweight. If you have a dry skin, you will love this product. The next dupe is very interesting because Mars finally came up with a liquid glow illuminator, which is the dupe of the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless filter and the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter. I just love this product so much. I tested it out and it just looks and feels exactly like the Charlotte Tilbury and the e.l.f. one. These products are good. I'm not saying that these are bad. These are extremely good, beautiful products, but if you want a more budget friendly type of a product, you can definitely go with the Mars one. The packaging is very similar to the e.l.f. Halo Glow filter and this is what the wand looks like. It comes with a thick chunky wand like this and it's very easy to apply with this wand. Face product, I think a thick chunky applicator is a must have. So I'm just going to show you guys how my skin looks. By the way, it comes in 8 different shades and I am using the shade, I guess, 03 Beige. Here I am blending the Mars liquid glow filter and just look at my skin. It also evened out my skin beautifully. This is the before and this is the after. It's a beautiful product. I will say you can use this as it is, just like a skin tint, because it will even out your skin tone. But I will say use a concealer on top of that and then go in with your powder and it will just set your base really well so that it does not look super shiny. So this is what the e.l.f. Halo Glow looks like. You can see how beautiful my skin looks right over here and it just blurs out my skin so beautifully. It's not disturbing the moisturizer, it's not peeling off. This shade is perfect for my skin tone. I think I used vanilla before and it was a little bit light for my skin, but this one is perfect. Look how beautiful my skin looks. It gives you a beautiful natural type of a finish and super glowy as well. Even if I have small bumpy acnes right over here, so it does not emphasize those areas, and I just love how healthy and you know, very young. My skin looks very young after using this. Very juicy. This is the best product for you. Okay, now we have something very expensive type of a dupe product. So this is from KIRO. This is the Dewy Serum foundation, which is a very close dupe to the Dior foundation. I picked these two because of the similar packaging more, and because just look at these side by side, the packaging is so similar. And the Dior one, if you want a more, it's a beautiful foundation. First of all, this is amazing. It is a very long lasting product. If you're a bride, if you want to, you know, have a foundation which is going to last for the entire day, this is the product for you. It's so pretty, so beautiful, gives you a blurring finish. It's more like a soft blurring type of a product, but this KIRO one gives you a more dewy finish and more like a glass skin finish. If you want a foundation which is going to look like a glass on your skin, like it's going to bring out that glowiness on your skin and it's going to look like a glassy filter, this is the foundation for you. The KIRO one is beautiful. It looks so amazing on your skin. You just need a little amount and it is going to give you that skin tint natural type of a finish. It contains a coverage, but I think this is more like a skin tint, and that's why I always use it as my skin tint only. It's very lightweight, gives a sheer to medium type of a coverage, and it just makes your skin look so good. But because of the packaging, I am going to compare these. I know I'm cheating a little bit, but I think these two foundations are amazing, and I'm not going to compare the formula at all because the formula is very different. But if you want to try out the KIRO one, definitely go for it. This feels more like high-end foundation. This works more like high-end foundation. So this is what my skin looks like after using the KIRO product. You can see my skin looks so beautiful. It gives me that very glass skin type of a finish. This is a glowy dewy foundation. You can use this as it is, or you can layer it with the Mars Halo Glow filter. It's going to give you this glowy finish only. Okay, so I just applied some concealer, my eyelash, and we are good for our next step, which is loose powder. You will love this dupe because I have my Kylie Jenner loose setting powder in the shade Soft Pink, and I have the LA Girl loose setting powder in the shade Soft Pink. Both the shades are soft pink and I am going to love it so much. This is what they look like, as you guys can see, in my everyday makeup kit, and I just love it so much. The Kylie Cosmetics loose setting powder. But now we have a dupe of the LA Girl one, and I am just absolutely excited to try this one. It's a very similar shade, which is soft pink. I'm gonna make a reel and I'm gonna use these side by side. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see how they look side by side. Wow, I just love the packaging. It is so beautifully done, and this is what the powder looks like. It comes with a mesh like this, and just press it with your puff, and I'm just gonna apply it wherever I've used my concealer. What? Oh my god, just look at that. It blurred out this area completely. This is the before and this is the after. Wow, this is, and also it brightened up my under eyes. This is absolutely beautiful. Like, my under eye bags are invisible right now. Wow, this is so beautiful. I'm not going to set my entire face, just a little bit, and look at that finish. Wow, I'm in love with the LA Girl loose setting powder. It's so lightweight, does not feel heavy at all, giving me this soft, blurring, flawless finish. It's my skin with this LA Girl loose setting powder. Wow, this is amazing. My skin looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, now we have a blush, and this is the blush. First, we have the Huda Beauty blush filter, which is a liquid blush in the shade Black Cherry. This is a more it's more like a purplish, dark purplish type of a plum color blush, and I just love it so much. It is perfect for any skin tone, especially if you have dusky skin tone. This is going to look so good. I just love this blush color. But we have another plum purplish type of a blush, which is from Faye, and this is their newly launched liquid blush, and this is in the shade Lazy. First of all, the Huda Beauty one is more of a subtle plum color, and this is more intense, so you just need a little dot for your entire face, and it's a beautiful product. First of all, look at this packaging. Amazing, looks like a nail polish, and it is super pigmented. I used other shades before and I am absolutely in love with the shade range, because especially for Indian skin tones we need more pigmented shades, and these are perfect. They have so many beautiful shades, and I'm just going to apply it just to show you how it looks. Very easy to blend as well, and it gives you time to blend the product. Does not look patchy, does not look heavy. This is what the Faye blush looks like on my skin. Isn't it so pretty? It's like I used one dot, so it looks very subtle on my skin. You can definitely build it up, and I just love how it blends, how easy it is to apply as well, and it's like a very beginner friendly product. So even if you're using too much, you can easily blend it and you can make it more subtle. Wow, I am in love with the Faye liquid blush. This is amazing, and it looks so beautiful on my skin, and the glow is back on my skin. That's why I always powder my face before applying my blush. I know you have to powder your face after you apply your blush, but I just do it before I apply my blush, just so it brings the glow on my skin back. This Mars Blooming eyeshadow palette itself is a beautiful, beautiful eyeshadow palette. It's a brown tone eyeshadow palette, and you get a black color. You can easily create a smoky eye makeup look with this. You get some amazing, intense shimmer shades. These are so intense, like one touch and you will get the product. Just for rupees 349, and I think the quality is literally like a 3000 rupees eyeshadow palette. It is so amazing, and I think if you want eyeshadow palette, like affordable eyeshadow palette, go get the Mars Blooming eyeshadow palettes. They are best sellers, and I think they are already sold out. These are amazing, like beautiful quality. More similar to the Colourpop chocolate eyeshadow palette. Over here, the Colourpop one, we don't have a black color, but over here we have one, so you can create your eyeliner with that, or maybe a smoky eye. I'm just going to use one single color from this today. This is the shade that I'm going to use, and you can see how pigmented this is already, so I'm going to dust off the excess. And it's so easy to blend the eyeshadow. It blends like butter. The matte shades are so pigmented, but they just blend like butter, and you can blend these eyeshadow with your fingers only. They are so fine and does not have any fallouts. I'm taking this one. You can use it on your inner corners, and look at that magic. Instantly you have your eye makeup look ready. I am all about simple eye makeup look. I never do, for my everyday makeup also, I never do any type of creative eye makeup look. I'm all about simple ones. So here I am teaching you eye makeup look in just 2 steps. Oh, this is so beautiful. Like only 2 steps and you have your entire eye makeup look ready. Lastly, the star of the show, we have the newly launched Typsy Pout Polish Lip Treatment, which contains peptide and collagen, and this is in the shade Raspberry Lollipop, which is a very close dupe and exactly the same. The Rhode one is also in the shade Raspberry Jelly, and this is a very similar dupe. This is what the Typsy one looks like, and this is what the Rhode one looks. You can see the packaging also very similar, and the shade, I'm going to swatch it for you. But the best part about the Typsy Raspberry Lollipop is that it comes with a metal applicator, which is so fun to apply and so cooling at the same time. I am in love how pigmented these are as well, which is just perfect. They have different shades, so I'm just going to apply it on my lips. This is so pretty, so glossy. and this applicator is so fun to apply. Swatch the Tipsy one here. This is what the Road one looks like. Both are very pigmented, and this is what it looks like. This is the Road one and this is the Tipsy one. Guys, that's pretty much it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below which product was your favorite. This is my full face using expensive makeup dupes, and I am just loving how my skin looks, how my overall makeup looks, especially the lips. I'm a big fan. How my lips are looking right now, it's juicy, very glossy and lightweight at the same time, and we have some amazing dupes. I'm very happy that Indian brands are coming out with so many amazing products, and let me know in the comments below which product was your favorite and what type of videos you want to see next. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.